Here's a classic recipe for a delicious vanilla cake. Ingredients: 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup milk. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans or line them with parchment paper. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. You can use an electric mixer or beat by hand with a wooden spoon. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next one. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, alternating with the milk. Begin and end with the flour mixture. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans and smooth the tops with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and allow them to cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cakes are completely cooled, you can frost them with your favorite frosting, such as buttercream or cream cheese frosting. Decorate the cake as desired, and it's ready to be enjoyed.